Hey guys, so this tutorial is around OpenClaw and how you can connect Telegram with OpenClaw. I hope you have heard about OpenClaw, which is the most trending AI agent tool that has been launched, and it is viral in the internet world, and all the AI enthusiasts are looking to understand how I can use this tool to make AI agents. Now, in today's video, I'll just talk about how to install OpenClaw and then connect with the Telegram, and then it has a lot of use cases. So I am doing a lot of research around it, so future videos will cover all those things. You can see in the site of openclaw.ai, basically it says about clear your inbox, send email. So these are the basic ones, but it can be used for much more wider things as well. So it's not limited to send emails, manage calendars. So it's what they are telling, but people in this society are doing a lot more, so watch out for more videos around it. Okay, now OpenClaw can be installed locally. Now when we say locally, it can be installed within this desktop as well, but as of now I won't recommend to install in this. You might have seen that Mac minis are getting out of stock due to this OpenClaw, so people are using Mac mini as their local, which will cost you a lot more. So it's better not to use Mac mini or your laptop at the moment. What you can do is you can buy a VPS. Now where to buy a VPS? You just go to the description. There's a link. In the link, you just click the link. It's a Hostinger link, which is an affiliate link, so I will get a commission around it. You will also get a best discount around it as well. So we have a coupon code as well. So even though if you don't click the link, you might get a price at a higher rate, as you won't get the discount coupon code. So it's better to click the link in the description. So once you click the link, you will see OpenClaw coming as in the screen. It will talk about KVM2, KVM1. So basically these are the VPS plans. So it is quite affordable at the moment, and VPS means you have a private server for the OpenClaw. Now KVM1 will come at around, so you can buy KVM1 as well. So KVM1 also works for this. However, Hostinger recommends KVM2 as it requires much more power around it, and it gives about some of the details as well, so you don't have to worry about how to install, what to install. They can help you as well, and they have a support which is Kodi, which is also an AI generated one. So I'm using this one to do the stuff as well. So I'm asking Kodi to help me in setting up Telegram, etc. What you need to just do is just press on deploy. It would come as a KVM1, which is $399. Now 24-month is a better deal, and you will also get a free domain. So free domain means you can create your website, you can do a lot of other stuff. Otherwise you can go for 12-month as well, and then 1 month is not of a use, so don't go with a 1 month. So go with at least 12 months apart. So the price will look like 6,000 rupees. Now what you can do is, this is in Indian rupees, but if you go to dollars, it will be around, you can convert it, and in your home country it will show as part of the exchange rates. Now what you can do is you can use the coupon code PA20. This will give you an instantaneous 20% discount. So 12-month hosting is now 5,000 rupees. Just click on continue, and then you can register using your Gmail or your personal sign-ins. So I'm using my Gmail. You will have to fill your personal details. Click on continue. I'm using PayPal. So I've done the payment, and it will get started in around 1 second. So it costed me around $55 in the USD terms. Now straight away Hostinger will open your OpenClaw. So it has already started to install it. So you have your OpenClaw token, which is required in your installation of Telegram. Now how to get your Telegram installed? So it gives you the Telegram bot token. Now how can you find your bot token? So you won't know how to get the bot token. Okay, so you might be searching. So best thing is ask Kodi. Just ping Telegram bot token. It will give a response. Okay, so you need to just chat here if you don't know anything, and it will tell you how to do it. So what you need to do is open Telegram, search bot father, send new bot, and finish the step. Name plus username. Bot father will reply with a token that looks like this. Copy it. If you already have a bot, send /mybot. Choose your bot API token to view and generate. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram. In the search, you search bot father, and you will see bot father. Okay, bot father is there. Now create new bot name. So bot name is OpenClaw test. Okay, so my username is OpenClaw bot. Okay, this is the bot. I got it. Now this will give me the API key. I have to just copy it and then paste it here. Deploy. Okay, so this is my first time. Most of you might be first timers. So this is my first time. Why did you buy? For commercial reasons or for personal? Currently it's personal. What do you plan to build on Hostinger? Whatever is your option, you can choose it. I'm using for website or content site. Save it. Let's see what happens. See, it's saying your project is being deployed. So you can see my OpenClaw is deployed. Okay, and if you want to access it, your OpenClaw, you can click on open. Over here you can copy the gateway token, and over here you can just paste it. This will log in your OpenClaw. This is your chat. Okay, over here you can see the overview of your OpenClaw. This is all technical stuff, so you don't have to worry much about it. So you don't have to understand what these are for. But yeah, status is okay, means it's all good and fine. Channels is your Telegram and WhatsApp. So what's Telegram, is it linked? No, it won't be linked at the moment. We have to link the API key. So what we need to do is we need to link the OpenAI API key. How you can do it? Multiple ways. If you don't know, you can ask Cody how to put my OpenAI API key. You go to manage. Over here you will see environments. In the environment you will have lot of options. Okay, so you get to environment. Nexus is what Hostinger provides, but for Telegram to work you need your OpenAI API key or Gemini API key or Grok API key, which you can easily get from OpenAI site. So you go to OpenAI. Okay, over here you will get a free credit on API. So first you need to play around it. So you just Google it and you will get the OpenAPI key. Otherwise you can go with the Gemini API key. So I already have my OpenAPI key. I will use it. So now what you need to put it as a name. So I don't know. So I'll ask, okay, I need to add OpenAI API key. What should be the name? See, I'm new. Okay, so I don't know what to do. So I'm asking Hostinger AI itself. So it says open API key. Okay, I'll copy it, I'll paste it and save and deploy. So once you save and deploy, your project is being deployed. So this is where you can add your API keys. Okay, now if you are technical, this is not a server. So this VPS is a server, but this OpenClaw is deployed in a container. Okay, so you might see some challenges saying, okay, why is it not saying as a server? So it's in a container, which is fine. This is a normal thing. Okay, you can use VPS, which will deploy it in a container. It's not a server. It will work as same as it works on a server. In future videos, I will tell you how to use a container, how to use the terminal and all those commands. Okay, so it is stopped because it is deploying it. But yeah, Nexus AI credit is what Hostinger has already provided. Okay, so you have a key which can be used for basic things. So the API key is the key thing that you need to buy for AI agents to work. Now use cases are quite wide, so what I'll do is I'll just delete this one. I don't want to use the Nexus one. Okay, now what happens is I have set up the API key. I have hosting Telegram channel created or the bot created. So in Telegram, what you need to do is, what was the name of the bot? Do you remember? It was open_claw_bot. Okay, this is the name. So once you create that name, that will come under your search. Okay, so once you click on start, it will respond. Now let's ping. Hi, it's running, all good. My Telegram should respond. OpenClaw access, your Telegram ID is this, pairing code is this, ask the bot owner to approve. OpenClaw, so now bot knows that I am connecting with OpenClaw. So access is not configured. Your Telegram user ID is this, pairing code is this. So I'm not getting it where I need to paste it. So what you need to do is you need to copy this, go to your terminal. So in Hostinger on top right, this is the terminal. See, some things you need to learn what is terminal, etc. But I'm just following what AI is saying, and it has given me a command. I'll just run it. Now it has connected. Okay, so once I copied that key over here of the Telegram, so the Telegram key that was updated again, and then I have to restart the terminal. So you can restart the terminal, and then the command that I used in the terminal has worked now. So it takes some time. So see, I was trying to ping hi, but then I think the gateway was not restarted, and now it is connected. So hey, I just use online in your OpenClaw workspace. Okay, so now it is all connected. Okay, earlier it was you are not authorized, now this one is connected. So this is how you can connect your Telegram with OpenClaw. Bit easy, bit challenging. If you are new, I would suggest to use Kodi or any other AI tool. The only thing to remember is that you do get some credits from Hostinger anyway, so you can play around free. You can top up with Hostinger as well directly to get the credits. Otherwise, you can use other API keys. To update API keys, you go to manage, you go to environment and update it. Now in the next video, I'll tell you how to start doing an use case, and my first use case is auto blogging using AI, but with all the agents. So it's quite different use case. So keep a watch around it and do subscribe to the channel if you have not done, because I'm experimenting OpenClaw heavily. Okay, thank you. Bye.